All right, welcome to this weird beta of Desk of Lady Ada. We're trying out cameras for the ADABOX live unboxing, so I figured why not just broadcast while we do this.
And anyways, my ADABOX came in, the box for Ada. I had a subscription service and it finally shipped. So.
Yeah, so we're going to do the ADABOX unboxing Saturday night at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. And right now we're just going through all the different cameras and more.
This camera.
Yeah, I got to make sure all this works out.
This camera.
Yeah, and then overhead.
This camera.
And your computer.
Over here.
And let me get me out of here.
Okay.
And then, you know.
Why, you don't want to be inside the NeXT logo?
Well, yeah.
You
So
do.
what we're going to do, though, is, you know, you ordered a subscription box back in 1997 or so.
I love subscription boxes. This is from like, 97.
Yeah, so it came in the mail today.
I finally got it, and it's my NeXT box.
Yeah, so here it is. So this is your NeXT box. And, yeah, came in the mail. Pretty heavy magnesium box.
Yeah.
And this is, can you maybe tap on it? Hey, look at that. So this is your NeXT box. What came in the NeXT box? Maybe put it down so you can take out all the
Yeah, it is just chock full. I mean, it's one of those surprise boxes where you don't know what's in it.
Oh, it'll be delightful.
I mean, it could be the open step. It could be
who knows?
a black and white screen.
Yeah. Okay, well
we don't know. We don't know.
All
okay,
right,
so
get a box cutter. Put it down.
yeah, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna get this.
Yeah.
Give me a moment.
The box weighs.
I know
more than the stuff. Okay.
I'm glad it got flat shipping rates. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So there you go. So
okay.
So open up the box. What's the first thing that was in the NeXT box subscription?
Okay. So the first thing were these stickers. This is on top.
Oh,
so
great.
Yeah, this is pretty sweet.
All right.
So
Want to get the overhead going for a test so we get used to it?
Yeah, let's do the overhead.
Okay.
Hold on, let me flip this around.
All right.
And then I'm going to. Yeah.
See what's going
Hold
on.
on.
Right?
Hold on.
Yeah. All right. Cool thing about these stickers is there's like instructions like you keep it at the correct angle,
right.
jerks.
Yeah. So this is a bend and peel sticker set.
Yeah. Go Paul Rand.
Looks like one was missing.
Yeah.
28 degrees.
It's on my phone.
Oh, okay. Well, somebody stole it. Yeah.
I opened up your NeXT box for you guys. Yeah.
Okay, so they got this whole sticker set.
Yeah.
So these are clear
And
stickers.
One thing, so Paul Rand's a designer. It's not the politician. Look it up, because like
I know
on a web broadcast, I'm like, I really admire Paul Rand and the IBM logo. I'm like, no, you're so wrong. He didn't make the IBM logo. Anyways.
The Paul Rand. It's
I know. Just so anyways.
Paul Ryan. Who knows? Okay. Designer. Okay. Okay. So this is. I guess this is product number 502, and then there's also this sticker.
Yeah, that's a standalone.
And this is the reverse.
Yeah.
Sticker. It's actually, it's kind of delicate. It's a little bit die cut.
Yeah, put that in a car or something.
It also, it's probably for, like a window, and it also tells you 28 degrees, so.
For a Trans Am, perhaps. Okay.
Yes, for my Trans Am.
All right,
okay.
what else did the
NeXT
so box
stickers.
subscription come with?
Okay, hold on. There's nothing on the back. Okay, so, here's the welcome packet.
Oh, great, a brochure.
Okay, I got it. Yeah, it comes with a pack. Welcome to NeXT.
Okay.
So this is also 28 degrees.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want me to move this? No, this is fine.
No, I mean, like, you can see what's on the screen on your side. So, okay, so you got a brochure if you want to buy
Okay,
one.
wow. Welcome to the NeXT box. Okay.
All right.
Includes Windows Server, application kit, interface builder, all sorts of good stuff. Ooh, it comes with tech. 1990.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
you get a subscription to NeXTWorld.
Yeah.
Right, want to back out the
68040.
Want to back out the overhead a little bit?
Yeah. Hold on.
That way we can see a little bit more of it. Okay.
WYSIWYG.
All right.
Okay, so it comes with Mac Unix.
I can't imagine running some type of Unix on a desktop computer.
I remember running before NeXT, when I had an SC30, I ran NetBSD on it, because NetBSD was ported to the 6800, and then I remember there was a company that ported Mac, like MACH Mac, to the Mac as well, and so I'm wondering if those people bought. I don't remember what. I mean, I don't remember the name of this operating system. I remember I installed it. It came on like 4 diskettes. Yeah. So I'm wondering if they ended up getting purchased by NeXT. I'm sure they were. I mean, like
keep moving.
Weird thing.
Fast
Okay, sorry, gotta go.
This is unboxing. Okay, you got a free premiere issue of NeXTWorld.
Oh yeah, I should totally send this in
Okay.
for my free copy.
Well, we're time traveling, so say, oh, look, a price list.
Ooh.
How much was this all?
Okay, get Next Station with 8 megabytes of memory and 400 megabyte hard drive for $4,016.
Okay, that's probably about $10,000.
Where did they come up with the number? Like, why 4,016? Like, what's the extra 16 bucks for?
All right.
Weird.
What's next?
SCSI converters. Okay, some like sweet advertisements.
Okay.
Lovely. Like they just copy and pasted this thing. Oh wow, I didn't know that there was a Next fax interface.
Yeah.
That's cool. Look at this. It's very interesting. You can tell how the photography has inspired the current Apple photography. This looks like an Apple ad.
Looks like a Samsung ad.
Yeah, very.
Oh.
Well, because it's black.
I kid Samsung. Okay.
Okay. Ooh, yes, that's 68040.
right.
Beautiful chip. Okay.
So more brochure stuff.
Most of Mac
Mac Week
Week.
Day. That's back when something was in a magazine, then you would make a print of the magazine and send it out as part of your brochure.
Okay, so Next Dimension was a 32-bit per pixel color board.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. Could output to Laserdisc, high 8 beta camcorder inputs.
That's good.
That's cool. 17-inch display, 1120 by 832.
Okay. Keep moving. So that was the brochure. You know, I hope
Okay.
not all subscription boxes come with a bunch of brochures. What's on the other side? Is there a Next logo on the other side? I hope so.
Yeah, no, it was. I remember I showed it.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
20
Oh,
degrees.
you know, let me do this thing on the screen here. Boop. All right, now I got Next logo on the screen.
Okay, now you can.
Next up. Well, we're testing ADABOX stuff, so I figured this is a good demo. All
Okay.
right, what else came in your Next subscription box?
Wow. It's an
Oh, you got all those NeXTWorlds.
I got all the NeXTWorlds, the premiere issue.
You got all those NeXTWorlds you always wanted.
Yeah. There's like 8,000 photos of Steve Jobs in this.
I think it was a requirement.
It was
Okay. Hey, look, that was on the back page, advertisement for
Make.
Make.
Yay.
Technology on next time.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, you know, Adobe Best Illustrator.
Yeah.
5 cube rating. So I guess they rated things in cubes.
Oh, okay. That's not a bad idea.
Okay.
Maybe we should,
You know what? I hope they designed this on a Next.
maybe we should rank things in fruits. Like I give this 5 fruits,
Yeah.
8 of fruits. All right.
Tom and Andy. It's interesting. It's like MTV and like MATLAB.
Improv. Something like IBM. No. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Hardware Magic. Object
It's like
Enterprise.
Wired inspired.
Driving the Enterprise. Evolution.
Next step.
The next step. Cross the threshold. The next 50. Okay. First look. Hey, look.
Yeah,
First
HP.
look.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we could.
Okay. So you
reorder
got
this.
your issues of NeXTWorld.
Yeah.
Done. I don't know if there was available on Kindle yet.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
What else did you get in your next box
Okay.
subscription?
Okay. Hold on. Right. So looks like bunch of
Oh, look, a Next power.
power cord.
Oh, it even says Next on it.
a Next power
That's
cord,
handy.
IEC cord, but it's Next
All right.
official.
Yeah.
So it's
that still-
interesting.
that still works with the current iMac.
It does, and I
So
think
I've
it's.
been told.
I think it's interesting. Like they added grippies
Yeah.
here, so you could really grab it
Yeah.
and plug it, unplug it. Interesting that, and everything has these like part numbers.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this is like the part, and this is like this revision code or something.
Yeah. Okay.
So power cable, very lovely
Bad
power
for a
cable.
20-year-old power cable.
It's a good power cable. Okay, we got
oh,
this.
look at this. This is a rare round Next mouse.
This is a 2-button mouse.
Mm.
Mouse ball.
Yep. Where was it made?
6,677 sold.
Where was it made?
Where it was made in Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, they like to get stuff made in Japan. Here's a pen.
Oh, look, you get a Next pen.
Next pen.
Oh, look, little Next logo on that.
And yeah, it was silk screened on.
So you could fill out that form and buy a Next.
$4,000, $4,016
Yeah.
for
Okay.
Next. Okay.
What else came in that Next subscription box?
Okay. We also have
That's a lot of stuff.
more. I know. I
Oh,
really
so-
got.
oh, look,
I
you have
really
the
got my
Next
money's
keyboard.
worth. Yeah, the subscription box cost like $9,000, so I'm glad I got a lot.
And they shipped it in a magnesium metal box.
Okay,
but-
so you got your Next keyboard.
Yeah. Okay.
This Next keyboard, we did a project with this to convert it to USB.
Yeah.
So people who are interested in that can check that out.
All right.
And then this is a different mouse.
Yeah. Where was this? Where was all this made? in
This
Japan as
one
well?
is also made in Japan.
Okay.
I mean, this keyboard is so heavy, and I think we opened this up
We did.
before, and made in Japan, and it had a huge chunk of steel.
Yeah. If you look at our pseudo random, video, and we also have a tutorial on learn.adafruit.com that shows you how to turn this into a keyboard for any computer.
Yeah, this is pre-ADB. So this it looks like ADB, but it's not. It's pre-ADB, so it's like a weird. It was a kind of a weird bit-bangy protocol. Okay.
All right. What else did you get in your NeXT subscription box? Oh, look at this.
Okay, I got a really lovely handkerchief.
A handkerchief.
Yes, for.
All right, so.
I don't know exactly what I would use this for,
well, if you get a.
Fashion.
For the next time you get a cold.
Yeah, I don't think I would. Blow my. I mean, it's more like a hair handkerchief.
Yeah, I got a benchtop cam too. I gotta remember this one.
Yeah. Okay.
I got this camera.
So a lovely little.
I gotta remember when we do this. When we do the live thing, for Saturday. I gotta remember how to keep track of these cameras.
Yeah, there's a lot of cameras. Okay, and then a T-shirt.
Yep.
Although I'm not sure that this was.
I'm sure it's officially licensed. Don't look into it.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's yeah. Anyways.
NeXT subscription box makes NeXT decisions for. Look, it's shipped, okay?
There's an email address on the label.
Look, it's shipped. It's shipped, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Better than most Kickstarters.
No, I was just curious because I was like, well, where was it made?
All right, this was a bonus backer stretch goal.
I know. Well, that's because it took 20 years to ship, so like, well, we might as well include something. Right?
Yeah, definitely. All right.
Okay.
Okay, what else we got here?
Okay, I got 2 cups. I got like a tea mug.
Yeah, that's
this
nice.
one's nice
It's
because
etched.
it was etched.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's funny. It's like I remember in my house when I grew up, we had these kind of mugs, very popular. I don't see these very often anymore. These kind of like tea mugs.
Yeah.
Glass tea
I
mugs.
really see a lot of NeXT mugs. So then this one is more of a ceramic mug.
This is nice because it's got
Like that?
you know what? Here's the thing. It's this black ring here.
Yeah.
That really
Magnesium, maybe.
makes it. Gives it class.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I can blow my nose, get dressed.
This stuff is really fragile. I'm surprised it survived the shipping.
Well, yeah, no, traveled the world for 20 years.
Okay, what else was in the NeXT subscription box?
Okay, we've got a copy of Next Step. Whoa!
Oh, great. What you always wanted.
Yeah, unopened too.
Yeah.
Comes with a diskette and example source
that was
code.
the diskettes I always wanted.
Yay!
Is that a lady?
It is a lady, but
right.
I don't know. Yeah, this is a fellow on one side and a lady on the other. But they're both looking at
They're like, I need to.
field and your item. So this is this is the
program
Next Step
this thing.
development, application development. So this is like if you wanted to get started with iOS development, you could start from the very beginning.
Yeah, you're not hardcore unless you start with this.
I know. I kind of do want to open it, but like I don't know if I want to run an emulator. I mean, we could get the NeXTCube up and running, and then just see if we can write code for it. Write a Twitter application.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we can complain about our flight being late.
Yeah.
Okay. All this technology.
Okay. What else? I think there's only one item left.
Is that it? Okay.
This is the last one.
All right. What is this? Wow.
So
this is super rare.
This is the logo book.
Yeah.
So when
you want to go to the overhead? What's the best way to look at this?
I think that
if you zoom out, I'll flip between the bench top.
I don't want to open this much more. I can move this, but
No, this is fine. Do
Okay.
what you gotta do.
So this is the book that was given out at NeXT when they decided the logo. And the fellow whose name I always mix, I can't ever remember which one's his first name and last name. Paul Rand.
The story of this is, so he had done the UPS logo, IBM, CBS, like Westinghouse, known for iconography. And he was commissioned to do this. He's like, look, I $250K, and I'm just doing it. I'm not doing revisions. I'm not doing anything else. You can choose someone else, but you have to pay me, and this is going to be it. So this is how, and he rolled in with this.
Yeah, so here's the first logo. He first started Bifer and Kesselon. And then he tried different font faces like, serif, stretch, sans serif.
The IBM one is mono. It's like
IBM, monopricey.
Yeah.
And he said, what does it mean? What is next? And he's like, what does the E stand for? And he decided he wanted the E to be lowercase because he said the E stands for education, excellence, experience, exceptional, excitement, etc. And he wanted the E to contrast because it's very rounded. So he sort of played around. He showed his playing around with the also maybe lowercase t or maybe uppercase t.
That's a lot of fun.
And then he said he really liked this. This is kind of, he fell in love with when you convert this, these sharp lines here. He says it contrasts nicely with the so straight, 90 degrees straight, pointy text.
Okay.
And then he's
Nothing says like late 80s and like early 90s.
Here's an interesting thing. He says the IBM logo did not have anything that suggests computers except what the viewer reads into it. Stripes are now associated with computers because the initials of a great computer company happen to be striped. So he said there has to be a mnemonic. There has to be something that you can that is meaningless, but you can attribute meaning to, which we talk about, like the Adafruit logo. What does it mean? Like it meant nothing to do with electronics, but you can attrribuute meaning to it.
Yeah, well, Apple doesn't have too much to do with computers, but
it does. Yeah,
it's synonymous.
Now it's synonymous. And then he talks about this box, just like the ADABOX that we'll be doing a video for. And then he decided he wanted
Big reveal.
This was the big reveal. He wanted to have a symbol plus a name. And he he talked about like the love.
Let me get I'll get to overhead. Boop. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of fun.
Like the famous art piece with
we
love.
walk by that all the time.
We love, Midtown.
Right.
And then he decided, okay, I'm going to color it. And he said he wanted like jewel tones.
Yeah.
And he wanted to be vibrant and spontaneous. So he thought this really catches your attention, which it does. I mean, it's extremely memorable. And then he shows, okay, here's a different
like way
size.
ahead of its time.
Yeah,
like it still stands the test of time. As they say.
Yeah, it shows. I mean, it looks like nothing else.
Yeah.
Right. Whereas, how many swoosh logos have we seen? We see like
all
the
there
swoosh
is
logos.
blue logos.
Blue logos and swooshes and circles and
air being bird.
Yeah. So it talks about different color combinations.
Okay.
And then Paul Rand, Weston, Connecticut, spring 1986. So he said, I like how he's like, okay, this is complete. He's like, I'm putting my stamp on it.
Bark.
So it's done. And this was the...
what a haul that you got at this NeXT subscription box.
Wow. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Look what you got. That's great.
Okay. So this was the piece de resistance.
Yeah.
This is a rare thing to find. I remember you found this and you were like, yeah.
Yeah, I found it in that box.
In that box that we ordered, yeah.
Yeah, it's the back of I clipped coupons.
Yeah.
And found it.
Yeah, you love the NeXT logo, and I mean, I remember using a NeXT computer when I was
that's what I learned
in high school, and it was pretty amazing. It was very different.
Yeah, a black metal box, the slab, the design of it.
The simplicity of the black and white screen, unusual.
The designer who worked on the icon and the logo and kind of gave it identity. And just like the ruthless story behind it all. It was just like...
bathed in blood.
Oh, it was just like, it's so gory and like no one really knows the story. And in my reality, the phone that I use and the computer I have right now is still running NeXT. I'm just in this universe where, they sold it to Apple. So, anyways.
All right. Well, that was a great subscription box. I wonder when the next one's showing up. The B box.
Yeah. The Sun Microsystems one is next.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
All right.
Yeah. What was the
they also had a great logo.
Yeah. The Silicon Graphics.
The SGI box.
Yeah.
Big purple. Yeah, they went with purple rounded.
Yeah.
Enclosures.
Yeah, my whole Java Genie collection. My servlet box is coming out.
It's funny. It's like, I still visit. I think when we pay our sales tax, the server that we log into, it's still running on a Spark box because, you log in and the favicon is Solaris. And I'm just like, damn. I mean, I don't see that very often anymore.
Only when you work with government sites.
It's really, there's just
on one hand, like, maybe that's good, though. Like, it's like, hey, like, the stuff still works.
Yeah.
I mean, like...
Don't hear a lot of 0 days for Solaris.
Yeah. All right, Lady Ada. Well, that's it.
All right.
I'm gonna play out the ADABOX little promo and then the ADABOX video, just so folks know what's coming up ahead.
Okay.
They're shipping out this week.
Good practice with
And
the cameras.
Yeah, this was a little tricky. There's a couple things I'm gonna do, but this worked out. I'm surprised always
All right.
that this
I
all
know.
works out. Okay. All right. Thanks so much, Ada.
Of course.